Pack all your yam balls recipe aside and let's make this simple meat yam balls. It has a little sweetness, tastes incredibly amazing. A very warm welcome to today's video. I'm Yummy Cash. To begin with, cut the size of yam you want to use for the recipe. Then start to peel the yam neatly. Now cut the yams into cookable sizes. When I say cookable sizes, I mean small sizes that can cook very quickly. Next, wash the yams thoroughly. Try to look for any dirt trapped in the yam and take everything out. In a hot water, put the yams in. Add some salt, cover, and bring it to a boil. On the other side, add oil to a pan. Gently drop the minced meat in. Season the meat with some seasoning powder, black powder, white pepper powder, some smoked paprika powder, and some chopped onions. Mix and fry the meat. Make sure to be stirring from time to time to avoid it from burning. Once the yam starts to boil, drop in some ripe plantain, cover and leave to cook. Taste for the salt and add more if needed. Now give it a very good mix and allow it to be on fire for additional 2 minutes. Strain the oil once the meat is well cooked and set it aside to cool down. You can use the oil for another recipe. Do not throw it away. Take the yam and plantain from the hot water into a clean bowl once it is well cooked. Start to mash the yam and plantain with a potato masher or tapoli. Do not wait for the yam to be cooled down before you start mashing it because it is going to be very difficult. If you want a little bit of hotness, go in with some pepper. I mean hot bonnet pepper. Then add the meat in. Now give it a very good mix. A very warm welcome once again if today is the first time on this channel. Drop the spoon if it's not helping and use your hand. Now go in with some pomade butter and mix very well. And to my returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you. I'm so thankful for always stopping by. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Add some fresh chopped onions and once again give it a very good mix. Taste for the salt and adjust to your preference. Start molding the yam into balls. On a separate plate, drop the molded yam balls. Isn't this beautiful? In a separate bowl, drop 2 eggs and season it with some salt. Give it a very good whisk. Once you're done with the mixing, drop the yam balls in and coat them nicely with the egg. So, with this recipe, there is no need for you to use breadcrumbs whatsoever. However, I have other yam balls recipe down in the description and also on this channel. Start frying the yam balls nicely till golden brown is achieved. Fry all the yam balls you've made and enjoy yourself. This is where we draw the curtains. I hope you did enjoy and hope you do try your hands on. Let's meet again in another video for another great recipe. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Choose